Okay, now we're going to do the number 22, which now we know the initial investment and we know the time to double. But what we need to know in order to use this formula, we need to know the P and we need to know the R, right? So right now, the only thing we know is the P. So let me write in, here we're using this formula. And we know that the initial investment is 10,000. And we don't know the interest rate. So what do you think we're going to do with this time to double number, which is 12? Okay, we're going to plug in. The time to double is going to make the A 20,000, and it's going to make the T 12, right? We're going to be able to plug in for the A and the T so that the only thing we don't know is R. We need the R so we can do the other calculations, right? So that they've given us enough information that we can find out the R first. So let's do that. 10,000, the time to double would be 20,000 equals 10,000 e to the 12R. Did I mix it? T is 12, so I've substituted for the T. That's right, isn't it? It's time to double. So 10,000 becomes 20,000 if it doubles. Right? Now if I divide both sides by the 10,000, I get my 2 again, e to the 12R, take the natural log of both sides. So the interest rate should be the ln of 2 divided by 12. .058, okay, 0.058. So we can fill that one in right here. That would make that 5.8%. Okay. So now our new formula is the amount is 10,000 e to the 0.058 times t. Okay, we have to answer the question, how much will there be after 10 years? So what will we do? Yeah, at this point you could just plug in 10 for t and calculate. A of 10 equals 10,000 e to the 0.058 times 10. Which is 0.58. 17,860. Right? 17. Well, you know, if in 12 years it doubled, 17,860 is in between the 10 and the 20,000. That makes a little bit of sense. 17,860. Okay, so it's kind of a two-step process, and that's what can happen when you're doing an exponential model, you know, whether it's growth or decay. Sometimes you're given a piece of information so you can calculate the constant in the exponent so that then later you can answer a second question.